me some nice sunset photos of Thanos. Okay, so I got the cameraman out. We finna do some photographs, but Payne's Ferry is closed. So what we're gonna try to do is get on the other side of the road that's closed and take some pictures. Without getting ran over here. And without hitting the hole. There's this camera right there. How do you want it? You want it at an angle? You want it straight up and down?
Yeah, you can just leave it like that for now. I'm gonna start with some video.
Y'all know me, man. I'm always doing some mischief. I like it, man. The whole 441 Payne's Ferry is closed down. I don't know what they're doing, but
For us, they did that just for
yeah, just for us. I like that. Stay tuned. Got the man doing his job. Get out of his way. Hopefully the sun's not too bad. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's a big ass alligator right there in the middle of my screen. He's huge. I'm gonna record my phone so I can zoom in so I can let you guys see that. Check him out. Straight chilling. Check out this camera. Super wide lens, staring to your soul. He just put out like this little umbrella looking thing. I don't even know what it is. Mag box. I have no clue what that does. Now what does that do?
What? That?
Yeah.
It's the same thing. It's a light, just the
Oh, it's another light.
diffuser is a little softer than that white thing.
Oh, the white thing? Okay, okay. Wow. I'm behind in technology, man. Testing with the little microphone umbrella thing. Light diffuser. You can see the light when he flashes it. Boom. That's so cool. Drone time. I got to get one of those, man. That's so cool. sunset. Photos of Thanos.
Actually, kind of be a cool shot without the light on.
All right. Okay, yeah, I'm good now. All right, so I will let the people know what we got, and then we'll go from there. I really appreciate it, man.
Careful.
You have a good night. He's gonna let me know when all the stuff comes out. Oh, that is bird crap on my bike. They're just flying over my bike, taking craps. But anyways, he's gonna let me know when the photos come out, and we're gonna go from there. Now I'm gonna try to cross the street without getting smushed. Yes, made it. All right. But be on the lookout, man. Photo shoot coming soon, baby. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate it.